The tomb of the Virgin Mary is a 1st century underground rock located in the Church of the Assumption at the foot of the Mount of Olives in Jerusalem's Kidron Valley. The site features a 50-step Crusaders era staircase leading to a dimly lit crypt containing a stone bench where her body was placed before her reported assumption into heaven. The crypt is filled with icons, hanging lamps, and incense. It also contains chapels with tombs for Joseph and her parents, Joachim and Anne. Ang libingan ng Birheng Maria matatagpuan sa Church of the Assumption sa Kidron Valley ng Jerusalem. Tatampok na humahantong sa isang madilim na crypt na naglalaman ng isang batong bangko kung saan inalagay ang kanyang katawan bago ang kanyang iniulat na assumption sa langit. Ang silid ay naglalaman din ng mga libingan para kay Joseph, kanyang mga magulang sina Joachim at Anne.